Hey guys, it's Anna, and today I'm going to be mixing Model Magic from, I think it's from Crayola, into slime that is store-bought. So, here's the slime we're going to be mixing it with. It's my blue slime, and here's the Model Magic. So, here comes Colin as my assistant. And so I'm going to pull a little bit out. Don't want to do the entire thing because this
Do you want me to hold it for you? And then you can like mash it in.
Okay. Actually, Colin, if you could pull some of this slime out, that would be awesome. It's all like stuck on the sides and stuff. So here's the slime. It's pretty plain. It's a regular,
It's like a purplish color.
yeah. So I think that's enough, Colin. So this is the slime I'm going to be using today. And so I'm just going to take a bit of Model Magic. Okay, I think this is enough to begin with, and then we'll see if it works. So here we go. It's in. Can you put that back down, please?
Oh my gosh, it's in, guys.
Okay, it's in. Some more. Ooh, it's like, sort of like,
It's like activating it, sort of.
It's like not even really mixing with it.
Do you want a little bit more?
Not yet, because I love that color. So this is what it looks like so far. It's kind of just, it's not really doing much. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. It's like rippy. Also, by the way, shout out to Just Amira, who actually inspired me to do this. So if you want, you can go over to her channel and subscribe.
And our channel.
And Colin and Anna's adventures, a little more.
Make sure you guys watch a lot of the videos because we're almost to 100, sort of. Like, only like 30 away almost.
Yeah.
So make sure you guys are subscribing over there so we can get up to 100 and we'll do a celebration video, right?
Yeah, we might actually do a live stream or something.
Yeah, like our first live stream. And we'll see
Okay.
how that goes.
Yeah, because we need a lot of subscribers to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how it turned out. It's like not even changed. It's got a little bit of a different consistency compared to what it was originally, but it's still like...
What if you put that stuff in this?
Oh, okay. Don't use it all, don't. Look.
I'll take a
Hand me-
little piece
yeah,
off.
a
and then
little
Here's
chunk
the
off.
rest of it. Or
Okay.
is that too big?
Here, no, here, take this. I love this Model Magic. So Model Magic is pretty much like slimy Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Don't put it in.
It's
Okay.
clay.
It's like a clay. So it's like my favorite thing ever to play with. Oh, and it didn't even change. It's like not even like drying. Don't, Colin.
What?
What?
Did you say I could?
No, I never said that. Get it? So Colin just mix it all in. Luckily, it's not really changing it. And
Well, at least it's a different color now.
so yeah, this is actually working pretty well. Actually made it almost like a better consistency. I don't love the consistency though, because it's not enough. I like the Model Magic consistency better. So this is how it turned out. The difference between the Model Magic component.
This reminds me of a series that we didn't upload. But Will It Survive?
Yeah.
And then I deleted those videos.
Even add a little bit more and see if it changes. Okay, so it hasn't really changed. And I think I like what it feels like right now. It's like hard almost, but it's a nice hard. So that's it for the video today.
Like, subscribe.
And don't forget to head over to the two channels that I mentioned. This is what it
It's-
looks like now.
Anna and Colin's Adventures
Just Amira.
and also make sure on Anna and Colin's Adventures, I feel like I'm gonna start if you get first comment, you'll get pin, or you'll get a reply from a special reply from us.
Well, that's it for the video today, and see you guys next time. Bye.